Welcome to my video series where I talk about common mistakes new real estate investors should avoid. There are many different acquisition strategies, also many different exit strategies. Of course, this is a business, also investment business. There are also risks in any investment strategies. New investors should start with lower risk strategies first. For example, there's a wholesaling, fix and flipping, rehabbing. Those are flipping business. Also, you can rent out properties as a lease option or buy and hold, or sometimes you can do seller financing if you own the house completely free and clear. If you compare with those kind of flipping business, also leasing business, which is more risky? Absolutely. Leasing business is much more risky than wholesale business. Wholesale, usually you're gonna flip the paper or flip the properties without doing anything. Of course, you're gonna find end buyer first before you close a deal. There are several issues that we have to talk about wholesale, but basically wholesale is much lower risk than renting business, leasing business. That's why I strongly encourage new investors to start with the wholesale. Through this wholesale business, you have to learn how to find the properties, how to negotiate with the owner to get the huge discount below market. Those are very basics but very important ability that investors have to obtain in the beginning of the career. That's why I strongly recommend new investors focus lower risk strategies such as wholesaling, then learn how to find the properties, how to negotiate, how to close a deal. Then if you have more cash flow, a cash reserve, then if you are more confident to go more higher risk strategies, you can move on to fix and flipping or a little bit bigger rehabbing project, or you can go into renting business, leasing business. This is my strong recommendation for the new investors. Thank you for watching the video. If you find this video helpful, click the like button. Also click the subscribe button for upcoming videos on this series where I discuss common mistakes new real estate investors should avoid.